If you are someone aged between 30 to 60 years old, hear me out. The kidneys are one of the most vital organs of our body, where almost 1 in 10 adults can be exposed to kidney problems even if you're in your 30s, but it's never too early to learn how to care for them. In this video, we'll explore the foods that naturally promote kidney detox and cleansing. Understanding these dietary choices could be the cornerstone of preventing kidney-related issues. So let's get started on this educational journey. Number 9. Blueberries. We start our list with blueberries, tiny blue wonders which are like superheroes for your kidneys. They contain special compounds called anthocyanins and help reduce kidney inflammation and protect them from damage caused by harmful free radicals. These berries are also great at keeping your kidneys hydrated because they're full of water. Plus, the fiber in blueberries helps control your blood sugar, which is important for preventing kidney problems linked to diabetes. Here's an interesting fact. Eating blueberries regularly can lower the chances of getting kidney stones by stopping crystals from forming in your urinary tract. If you have high blood pressure or struggle with retaining fluids, blueberries are a smart choice because they're low in sodium, but also loaded with vitamins like C and K, as well as manganese and other important nutrients that help keep your kidneys healthy. Number 8. Lemon water. Lemonades, those zesty citrus drinks, offer a host of benefits for your kidneys. They're rich in vitamin C, which helps your kidneys flush out toxins and work at their best. Lemons contain citric acid, which can balance the pH levels in your kidneys, reducing the risk of kidney stones. But if you can drink lemon water every day, it will act like a natural cleaner for your kidneys. It helps your body produce more urine, which gets rid of waste and harmful stuff. If you drink lemon water regularly, it can even stop kidney stones from forming by breaking down existing ones, so you don't have to deal with painful crystals. Lemon water isn't just good for your kidneys, it also fights urinary tract infections because it has antibacterial properties. And the high water content in lemon water keeps you well hydrated, which is important for your kidneys to do their job right. Number 7. Garlic. Let's take a closer look at garlic, known for its strong scent and bold flavor. This kitchen staple holds a special role in keeping your kidneys healthy. Inside garlic are sulfur compounds like allicin, which act as powerful defenders helping to cleanse your kidneys of toxins. These compounds also work as antioxidants, reducing stress and inflammation in your kidneys. But garlic has more to offer. It acts as a facilitator for smooth blood circulation, ensuring your kidneys get the blood flow they need to perform at their best. This improved circulation aids in efficiently removing waste and toxins from your kidneys, preventing any harmful buildup. Garlic isn't just a kidney hero, it's also a natural warrior against infections that can harm your urinary tract and affect your kidneys. Moreover, garlic can be your blood pressure's friend, a significant player in maintaining kidney health. By regulating blood pressure, garlic helps protect your kidneys from potential issues, and it's also rich in vitamin C, B6, manganese, and selenium, providing valuable support to your kidneys and other vital organs. Number 6. Leafy greens. Let's talk about leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. They're like kidney superheroes. Packed with vitamin C, they fight kidney inflammation, while vitamin A keeps your urine flowing smoothly and prevents kidney stones. Plus, they have potassium, which helps balance your electrolytes and keep your blood pressure in check. These greens are also fiber champions, ensuring things move smoothly in your gut and stopping waste buildup. They bring along antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein to protect your kidneys from damage. Ever heard of chlorophyll? It's a natural detoxifier that helps your body get rid of toxins and heavy metals. And here's the best part. Leafy greens are low in calories but high in water, so they keep you hydrated and your kidneys happy. Number 5. Ginger. The active compounds found in ginger, such as gingerol and zingerone, exhibit potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, making it an ideal ally for maintaining kidney function by reducing oxidative stress. Ginger helps protect the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. Its anti-inflammatory properties aid in reducing inflammation in the kidneys, supporting their optimal performance. Moreover, ginger has been shown to inhibit the formation of kidney stones by promoting healthy urine flow and preventing the crystallization of minerals that contribute to stone formation. The diuretic nature of ginger stimulates urine production, which aids in flushing out toxins and waste products from the kidneys, enhancing their detoxification process. Additionally, ginger's warming properties increase blood circulation, which, in turn, promotes kidney health by improving filtration and waste elimination. It helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduces blood pressure, thus alleviating the strain on the kidneys. Number 4. Watermelon. Watermelon, with its high water content, helps keep you well hydrated, a key factor for healthy kidneys. It also acts as a natural diuretic, promoting urine production and helping your kidneys flush out toxins and waste. In fact, this diuretic effect can reduce the risk of kidney stones by increasing urine flow and decreasing the minerals that lead to stone formation. But watermelon is more than just refreshing. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Loaded with vitamins A and C plus antioxidants, it provides solid support for your overall kidney health. These antioxidants do a great job of lowering oxidative stress and inflammation in your kidneys, protecting them from damage and boosting their detoxification abilities. Here's an interesting fact for you. Watermelon contains citrulline, a natural compound that benefits your kidneys. Citrulline is transformed into arginine in your body, which promotes better blood flow in your kidneys. This improved blood flow helps your kidneys get rid of waste and toxins more effectively, improving their detoxification process. Number 3. Turmeric. Turmeric, thanks to its key bioactive compound curcumin, offers impressive kidney protection. Curcumin is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant abilities, which are like shields for your kidneys. They defend against oxidative stress and inflammation, two major culprits behind kidney damage and diseases. By fighting off free radicals and harmful molecules, curcumin reduces cellular harm in the kidneys and boosts overall performance. But curcumin's talents don't stop there. It has a knack for regulating various pathways that control inflammation and immune responses, effectively reducing kidney tissue damage caused by inflammatory conditions. This natural spice also acts as a kidney guardian, shielding them from toxins and harmful substances that might build up in your body. Research even suggests that turmeric could help prevent and manage kidney diseases like chronic kidney disease, diabetic nephropathy, and kidney stones. If you're dealing with proteinuria, a condition where too much protein is excreted in your urine, turmeric shows promise in reducing it. If you're still with us, consider liking this video or subscribing to Natural Education for more informative content. Number 2. Cabbage. Cabbage, a nutritious and low-calorie food, offers multiple benefits for kidney health. Packed with vitamin C, it gives your immune system a boost and supports your kidneys. Cabbage contains sulfur compounds that help eliminate toxins from your kidneys. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids, which battle free radicals, reducing stress on your kidneys. Cabbage also has natural diuretic properties that increase urine production. This flushes out harmful substances and waste products, reducing the risk of kidney stones. Its dietary fiber aids digestion and lowers cholesterol, which can prevent kidney-related issues. And let's not forget its anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce kidney inflammation, contributing to overall kidney health. Number 1. Avocado. Avocados are a kidney-friendly food packed with health benefits. Their monounsaturated fats are like kidney protectors, reducing inflammation and the risk of kidney stones. Avocados are also loaded with potassium, a crucial mineral that helps control blood pressure and maintains the right balance of fluids in your body. This balance is vital for keeping your kidneys functioning smoothly. Rich in healthy fats, avocados bring antioxidants to the table like vitamins C and E, which act as kidney guardians, shielding them from oxidative stress and free radical damage. This protection helps reduce inflammation and supports detoxification in your kidneys. Avocados are also a source of fiber, which is great for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. By doing so, avocados promote kidney health and lower the risk of kidney-related issues. And don't forget about vitamin K in avocados. It's important for blood clotting and bone health, which indirectly helps your kidneys stay healthy by ensuring proper blood clotting in case of injury or damage. We hope you found the information insightful and inspiring. Remember, these natural detox foods can be a great addition to your diet, but always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your eating habits. And even if these foods can help you, how can you notice any symptoms in the first place? Well, I bet this video can help you with that.